Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can change your Zoho Mail password. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to mail.zoho.com and log in to your Zoho Mail account. Once you're inside, hover your mouse on your profile right here and then click on it. A pop-up menu will appear and you're going to click on My Account. This would redirect you to another tab where you can access all your Zoho accounts. So give it a few minutes. Now, Zoho will ask you to verify your identity. So, simply type in your password. Or, you can even put in your PIN. Now, set your sights on the left panel and click on Security. And then, click here to change your password. So, you would need to enter your current password and then enter a new password. Re-enter it and then click on Change. Now, Zoho would ask you if you want to terminate all the browser sessions currently active with your Zoho Mail. So, you can either check on it or not. Then click on Continue. And as simple as that, you change your password in Zoho Mail. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!